Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a LENOVO Tab M8 4th generation, and let me share with you how to change the screen timeout on this device. So as you can see, my device blacks out a little bit too fast for my liking, so let's change it. Let's tap on the settings, and here we have to tap on the display. Then let's scroll and find the lock display section and tap on the screen timeout. And as you can see here, we've got some options from which we can choose. At the top, relatively short options, and at the bottom, either the longest time option, so 30 minutes, or never, which means that your device will never black out. You will have to do it manually. So all you have to do is to tap on the option like to use. I will pick 10 minutes, and as you can see, it is immediately notified right here, which means that from now on, after 10 minutes of inactivity, this device will black out. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.